fake nigga, get your shit together, man. You know what I'm saying? Listen to some of this game that's coming to you. I'm working on a new song, man, called "Know Why You Hating." Yeah. So just a little eye opener.
It's called "Know Why You Hating."
Yeah, because I know why niggas be hating, so I'm just putting it out there. I'm rubbing in a lot of people's face right now. And the funny thing about it, I've got my girl on it and her son. Yeah. It's tight, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what you call a real collaboration, man.
We put the family on there, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because we know why they be hating, you know what I'm saying? My girl got her friends hating on her. I got a couple of my little homies hating every now and then. Niggas be having broke attitudes, so, I got something for all that, you know what I'm saying? So
hey, your son probably got kids hating on him, too, at school.
He sure do.
You know what I'm saying?
I be hating on him sometimes, too, when he don't clean up his room. So, Yoda.
Hungry Rap Radio, man. We live from Las Vegas, man. We've been here for years, man. We met Boo a long time ago.
We in this building, man.
Rock Block.
14, 15 years now.
Met, man. His family, man. Beautiful family. Mom, his brother, man. Shouts out to Ace, man.
Yeah, big
Boogie, man.
Gold Mouth.
Ace Boogie, man.
He get out in February.
In February?
Yeah, February.
That's right before my birthday.
Yeah. They gave Burner 10 years, younger Burner, but they took it back. He go to court in August. He supposed to be getting an appeal, so he might be getting out. You know what I'm saying? Got everybody put the prayers there for Burner Ben Franklin.
So they just wanted him to sit down for a year or two real quick.
Yeah, they did something like that because the dude went back.
Guaranteed to get that time out of you.
Yeah, dude went back. Dude that testified went back and cleaned it up.
Recap.
Oh, that's good, man. Burner, free Burner, man. Let's get Burner back out here, man.
Burner Ben Franklin, man. Look my nigga up on YouTube, man. Check him out, man. You know what I mean? He was getting down with some big heads, you know what I mean? He was doing some big things, so check my nigga out. Burner Ben Franklin on YouTube, man.
Ross, Yada, all them guys,
he did some songs with Yada. He out there with Ross and them, man. He was, that was our nigga. That's this nigga brother.
Yeah, the album called "Look What You Made Me."
We got to get him back, man. Free Burner.
It's all good, you know what I mean?
Put applause on that. What's the album called?
Look What You Made Me. We about to definitely finna put some of them songs on this nigga station right now. We're gonna get it together, man. I ain't did it, but now that I'm next door now, we're gonna get Burner Ben Franklin in motion. I'll be on the strip, nigga, getting all the money off that nigga CD.
Like we tell everybody, to send it to hungryrapradio@gmail.com.
Hungryrapradio@gmail.com.
Radio, TV, or just hungryrap@gmail.com. If you forget the radio or the TV, just send it to hungryrap@gmail.com, and we will bump it.
Yeah.
We'll bump your stuff, bruh.
Baby, why? That's my signature. I got that from you.
Matter of fact, we got a song right here with all three of us on it. The next song.
Oh, go and get it, girl.
Yeah, that's all three of us. Some shit we did.
You're freaking now.
Yeah. What a coincidence.
Man, let's get into that one, you know what I'm saying, next.
Man. Good morning, Vegas, man. It's 10:02, man. It's still chilly out there. It ain't as cold as yesterday, but it's chilly out there.
Yeah, it's cold.
Y'all watch yourself. Put them hoodies on and bundle up them babies.
They like, y'all, it's cold. It's really cold in other places. You know what I'm saying? You put put some shoes on. Like, it's cold for us because we wear flip-flops and shit.
Man, I'm trying to tell you, man. I wouldn't sleep last night like this. Sniffling and shit. Like some bullshit. I had my beanie on and everything.
Motherfucker been spoiled out here in Las Vegas. Not hot out.
Don't put no lotion on today. It's too cold for some lotion.
Been spoiled out here, man. Yeah, Hungry Rap Radio, man. We live from Las Vegas, man. Got a lot of shit coming on, man. They said Chris Brown gonna be out here at Dre's on New Year's.
Oh, we're gonna have to show up to that, man. That nigga be tracking all the females. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna call y'all bitches today, unless you make me mad. But all the females go see Chris, man.
Yeah, I was gonna say
all the real women, y'all come along, man, and the females, y'all come too, and you bitches stay at home.
I'm all right. Let's say my Medicaid.
Yeah, Hungry Rap Radio, man. Shouts out to Biz, how you want it, man.
Okay. Yeah,
King down over there doing his thing.
Oh, man, I ain't seen Big Cousin in a minute, man.
Yeah, shouts out to,
I'm gonna say Big Brother. He called me my big brother in a long time, man.
Shouts out to Beats, how you want it, man, and
King Y'all Ray
over there, they doing their thing, man.
King Y'all, my boy King Chicken, man. Shouts out King Chicken, everything chicken, man. Deli style.
Hey, fuck that.
Deli style, son. Slice it, B.
Then we gonna get the King Chicken frying in the barbershop in the back.
That's my nigga.
In the studio in front.
Hey King, if you hear this one, King, I'm helping you with the chicken, man. We gonna go ahead and monetize that. We gonna go on distribute.
I'm gonna do
King
Chicken.
King Chicken. We killing KFC. All them niggas pop out. This King Chicken, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's how we doing it.
But we're gonna have the KFC gravy though. We gotta have the KFC. We gotta steal that gravy.
We still in a lot of recipes.
I'm telling y'all, I like that gravy. I be drinking the gravy.
We take everybody's recipe.
Everybody's. Yep.
We take all the chips and put them in one bag.
We taking Popeye's batter dip.
You took all the chips.
We taking rally fries. We're gonna have Red Lobster's rolls. Everything of it.
Applebee's artichoke dip.
Yep. Oh man, we need that one. Yeah, we need that.
Is that artichoke dip, though?
Yeah, that spinach dip. That shit
I had
good.
the artichoke dip.
That shit good.
Yeah, that spinach dip. That shit is all right, man. You know?
I fuck with
Hey,
spinach.
we just gave all y'all a shout out. Y'all need to pay us for this shit, so we ain't gonna say no more of them brands.
Nah.
They ain't paying us.
At least a nigga a free meal.
Yeah,
Damn.
y'all thought we wasn't aware of what we was doing? Yeah.
They gonna tell us to download the app and
Yeah.
get something for free.
Bad.
Get the app. You know, all of
Download
them
the app.
got an app
And
right
get
now.
some-
If nobody don't know about it. All of them got an app.
After 20
get something
points, you
free,
get a
we
free
buy one.
milkshake.
Oh.
12,000 points, you get
I get a free fry.
a nugget.
Fuck
Yeah,
that.
man, that's crazy.
Nah, man.
We live from Las Vegas, man.
That's how we doing.
You know what I'm saying? We
This
still
how we
getting
do.
money off CDs. You know what I'm saying?
I was on the block last night.
if you
Told
got
their ass up.
CDs and you don't know how to make money off music, come to Vegas, sell your music, man.
It's 2017. If you don't know how to make money, period, you need to kill yourself. Unless you a kid or something, I understand. But if you
don't-
grown
You
and
gotta watch
you
what you say, because they literally do that, like, because most motherfuckers don't know how to make money, so that.
Oh shit! I gotta
that's the point. No, that's all I'm saying. That's the point. If it's 27, oh yeah, nah. Well,
Oh no!
These motherfuckers all got a gun in their face.
look,
right
my
now.
bad, y'all are a little emotional out there right now.
Said that without no instructions.
The guy on the radio told me to kill myself, and it was right on time. I was already thinking about
Fucking
killing
know how to
myself.
make money. I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
Emotional ass niggas
Oh
though.
my God.
Hey, but the bad part, that's what society tell you. Society be
Yeah.
like, you ain't got no bread, you ain't working, you ain't got all this, you ain't shit.
Hella funny.
That's what the world will tell you.
It's the Wake and Bake Morning Show, man. We live, man. This your boy DONAHMENI the Don. I got Natty Bang.
Yeah,
bang,
man.
Bang, bang, gang in the building. I got Bubonic. 209 Stockton.
Motherfucking
in the
Cali Cannon.
Building. Cali Cannon, man. Come on, man. This is crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? We've been doing music since, goddamn it, what, 04 out here with you boys?
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? These boys has been doing music with the Hive now since 04.
Yep.
We got hella music, we've been making money off
Yep.
the strips,
Yep.
selling CDs.
I was doing music a few years before that. I always remind
I made
these
so
niggas.
much money
Yeah.
because
These
my
niggas
big
be like,
Cuddy right here.
you started with us, nigga. I be like, damn.
we
On the road to platinum, nigga.
I say,
That-
damn.
that's the
Hey,
only
it's
bitch.
artist takeover. He like, nigga, no, you started your career with
Yeah,
us.
with us.
Oh well, shit.
He always say that
Suge,
shit.
my bad. Goddamn.
Hey, you always say that shit though. I got a song. You're like, you didn't tell me you were gonna put it on a CD.
Yep.
Nah, y'all was already rapping before we met y'all. Y'all was already talented.
Hey y'all, this nigga like Suge Knight, y'all. So don't
Hey,
take
Suge.
don't take this nigga smooth talk and his laugh. you get Suge Knighted, man. You be like, what?
serious too.
Man. Listen.
He built us though. We were all in this shit though.
Yeah, they ready, man.
Nah, man, that's one thing. That's one thing about Joe Jackson. You didn't like his tactics, but you like because everything. This is cake. I had to be out there on the street actually making up stuff on the fly.
Right.
This is my music. This is my. Hey, check me out. Yeah, you from where? Right up the street. Yeah, we right.
Right.
Everything you got to say to get your music out there. You know, not necessarily lying to them, but something to get it sold.
Yeah.
And the white America knows about this. They
It's
know.
cost money to listen
you
to
got to
that.
say
Sell
what
them,
you
give
got to
them
say
game.
to get it sold.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you gotta do it, man. So that's how you get. It's a confidence builder
Mm-hmm.
for y'all young artists out there. Just go out there and get a whole bunch of no's.
For about a
You know what I'm
year.
saying? Don't be scared to
Yeah.
fail. You know
Well, I'll be
what I'm saying?
blapping on them too, man. I'm telling you, Slip just killing them last night. I want to hit them last night real
But
quick.
that's
I be
where
out
you-
there slimming and be like, they be like, why you leaving so soon? Cause I'm out all the CDs, and y'all don't want to sell me no more because I ain't got
But
that.
that's-
I ain't gonna go get no
but
more.
that's where
Everything
you-
home, like some bullshit. I'm gone.
done.
I'm out there I was out there like 2 hours last night. Actually 3, to be honest, because I chilled around
Right.
after that. But yeah, that shit
That's,
it's easy.
that's good artist management or family management. If you can go work for 2 hours, get that same pay that of an 8-hour motherfucker.
Oh
Gotta
yeah,
work
yeah.
8
That's
hours.
hustling. I mean, that's
You got
hustling.
2
That's what you're
hours.
doing.
Yeah.
You still can come home and you know what I'm saying, be with your family and do what you got to do.
Hey, that's
work
good.
on your music or
Yeah.
That's
whatever.
all good.
Come on, man, that's a blessing.
That's
man.
all good.
You know, you got to look at it like that. You know what I'm saying?
Stay in the lane, but stay out the way. That's how I live.
Yeah,
it.
you
know
just
what I mean?
gotta
And you
like
doing
they,
something legal.
But like they said, the thing is with like a lot of these artists that a lot of people hate on and talk about Twitter and shit, you gotta own your craft. Even if it's a craft they hating on, like I mean, Young Thug or you know what I mean, Lil Yachty or something. These niggas own their craft though.
Yeah.
They making money off of it. They ain't scared to stand in the middle of the street and be like, they ain't scared to do that. They'll stand right in the middle of the street in front of everybody,
Right now though,
smoking a blunt, rapping that shit.
With some big praise. Little as hell.
So like he said, the kids get them nose.
Little bit ass braids hanging out his head.
But like you said, get them nose so you can obtain and control your craft. So once you hit that stage and start sitting down talking at them tables, you own it.
Them nose toughen you up, so you won't get a little soft.
Let's get no, they look stupid. They face cracked like a mirror.
Shit. You gotta wear a helmet when you ride a bike. You gotta put a life jacket on when you swim and shit. We ain't all that shit when we was little.
The point is, I was doing hand to hand. I can take them. That studio bullshit, that white man boy. I can take that because I was on the street getting those. Talking to the lady right in her face, like, this is my music. I really need some. No, I don't listen to that shit.
Right.
And you got to hear it like that.
Black. That's my new one. And they're like, no, it's not because you're black. I'm like, well, I got your attention now. You really want to talk to me? I thought I was hitting them last night. All the white people like, and now I'm like, because I'm black. And they start laughing. And once they start laughing, I'm like, hey, how you doing? Where you from, man? I'm like, I'm from California, you know, inside of California. And it works. But then, everybody out there rolling and shit.
But then, like Don said, don't judge me. This is a different age. So the age of CD is gone, too. So you still selling CDs, that's a plus.
And the money come right out their pocket within 30 seconds. So, you know what I'm saying?
I don't listen to CDs no more. That's the big thing.
I think that's kind of like pimping a little bit.
I don't listen to CDs no more either.
Get some money out their pocket.
But it's about the support.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. Mm-hmm. Of course, we're going to step it up a level. It's going to be monetized a whole different level.
Your goddamn car. That's I do.
They always say, I got a CD.
CD players are still standard.
Support this, please.
They still standard.
Like, got them new cars, ain't no CD player. I'm like, if you bought a car without a CD player in it, your ass just got robbed.
Yeah, that's standard.
They be thinking I'm crazy when I tell them, like, you just got, like, they tricked you? You got tricked like that?
You bought an XM radio? You bought a radio.
You bought a car without a CD player?
You bought a radio? That's horrible.
So what about listening to CDs? But this motherfucker is $60,000. They better have a CD player.
And an 8-tracker. Goddamn.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever it is, $20,000.
Anything.
Yeah. Tell them about it.
If it's over a 2,000, this motherfucker better have a CD player.
Trying to make up them excuses for them nose, and we got rebuttals. How you have some rebuttals?
They probably saving money. You know how when restaurants cut costs, like, we don't cut the mustard or cut the ketchup down, the packs or whatever. They cut, like, the cars. They're like, you know what?
Just give them XM radio. Give them nonstop radio. Give them nonstop radio.
Cut the whole CD. They got to put CDs in cars.
But that's how they control you. That's how they still take you away from life, man. If y'all been listening to our shows, y'all know that's how they still control that.
And that's the motherfuckers trying to make money off the CDs and shit.
They already control your car. Your shit already chipped and, you know what I mean, flipped and dipped. Nigga, you don't even control your car. Especially you got a new one in 2016, 2017s. Nigga, you don't you don't control that car.
Push start story.
Nigga, motherfucking
that's horrible.
Who own the car? Motherfucking who the people OnStar? The car company itself, GM Ford. I'm
talking about the push start when you with the push start.
If your battery, if your battery is over. Because it's all electric. That's what happens when you got an electric car. Like the eco cars,
push starts.
When the battery dead, the car is dead. There is no pop in the trunk. It ain't like no Delta 88. Y'all know the old the Buicks, you know what I mean? The Chryslers, you know what I mean? The 96 Honda. Nah, it ain't that. You can't just pop the gear and roll it down the hill. That motherfucker ain't moving. It ain't doing nothing.
Budging or nothing.
All because the battery dead. All because the alternator dead. Oh, hell nah. This ain't that old one, man. You can't just throw that piece on there. Yeah, get that jump, push it, and that motherfucker kick back up.
New shit. You gotta have that new paper.
That's the downfall to that new shit.
New paper to keep your shit
that new shit is built to break. This is what y'all understand. The old shit is, but the old shit was lasting too long. Them steel cars was lasting too long. Yeah. They knew that. Cause why? Cause motherfuckers still got 67 Impalas. They still got 69 Chevys. You know what I mean? They still, cause these old metal ones, as long as I keep this engine, I can redo the engine as many times as I want to. As long as I keep this body frame, paint, keep all this motherfucker tight. It don't matter what's under the hood, you don't see it. I can have a whole new state-of-the-art 2018 engine, but you don't see it. That don't matter. The fact that you still see this motherfucking old-ass 86 pulling out the back like, ugh, that motherfucker cold on them 26s.
Crush all this
you feel what I'm saying? So I can run right into your new Taurus, BMW. I'm talking about I smash right through both your doors. Yeah. Wow, and I back right back out like, my bad. This motherfucker all steel. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Them new ones is made to only give you so much love and then bring it to the shop,
and get that money. That's that little
Come
scheme.
Give us that. That's why they tell you, you need an oil change after 80,000 miles. Hold on. So you telling me I got to get one? Yeah, after 8,000 miles, you should have an oil change.
You should have some new oil money.
But this is the thing. What if I change it before 80,000? Why I got to? No, 80,000 to 100,000. Well, what if I just bought the car and I didn't get to drive it? I'm a rich millionaire. I just bought it. Been sitting in my garage for 4 months. I got 3 Lambos. I bought a 4th one. I ain't touched it yet. I still gotta come and get a tune-up and shit. Y'all just want more money.
Man, this movie right here, man, I don't know. Y'all don't remember. This is an old movie. It's called Truck Turner. It came out in 1974.
Nah, nigga, I wasn't born yet, nigga. I was still in the womb. I was still an egglet, man.
I remember going to the movie.
I was still a little spermy dude, bruh.
I remember going to the movies watching this on Easter. So it had to be later in life that it came.
Did y'all hear that? He was watching it on. He was watching.
And I was born in '73, but I remember with my little Easter